Hey guys, I'm Kris with 5 Star Buildings. I'm in our manufacturing facility here in Cuba, Missouri. And in this video, I want to show you under the floor drain lines. This is an option we offer because we want you to be able to order your cabin, have it delivered and set on your concrete slab and not need to get underneath it to do plumbing. Here you can see the 5 drain line access points. On the far left, we have the kitchen sink. Next is the bathroom vanity, followed by the toilet. In the insulated box, we have the shower. It comes with a trap, and last in line is the washer. All the plumbing is grouped together, and the main line is all in the skid cavity. As you can see, we have a very limited space to work with. So drain line slope is approximately 1 inch per 12 feet. Just another note or two here, we do not do any venting. That's something that you can do with an inline under cabinet vent, or if you choose to, you can install a vent through your roof. We also do not do any water lines. Here's a little bit what you can expect on the inside with the plumbing. On the far left, again, we have the kitchen sink waiting for your 2-inch line. Next, in this interior wall, we have the bathroom vanity, again waiting for a final stub up. And we have the toilet, and then that insulated shower trap box. Way over there, we also have the washer ready for the stub and your trap in the wall. So that is our underfloor drain option. If you've got any more questions or want to get a quote on one of our buildings, check us out online at 5starbuildings.com. See you next time.